How to add or remove the headphone level widget in the control center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up the control center. After that, tap on the Add button. Then, once you're in an edit mode, go down and then tap on Add a control. Next in here, we scroll down to the bottom and go to the hearing accessibility section and tap on headphone level. Now that will get added to your control center right here. Now after that, swipe up to go back to the control center and then swipe up again to return back to the home screen. Now when you want to activate the headphone level, you can pull down the control center and tap on headphone level. So tap on that and you'll be able to control your headphone level. Now at the moment, I do not have my headphone audio connected, so it shows that no headphone audio. But that is how you can add the widget to the control center. If you want to remove the widget, just tap on the Add button in the control center, then tap on the Remove button, and there you'll be able to remove the headphone level widget. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.